Okay, so your first step is going to be to turn your water heater on. I know some of you are rolling your eyes. Stick with me. I've actually gotten calls where I show up and people say their water heater isn't working, and it's just because they didn't know how to turn it on. So don't let that be you. Here's what you need to know. Some, and they're usually suburban water heaters, have an extra switch on the water heater itself. And if you have that switch, it needs to be in the on position. It can be a little hidden behind this gas pipe, so just take a look for it. Again, they're usually only on suburban water heaters. Either way, whether you have a switch on the water heater or not, there is going to be another switch inside of the rig to turn the water heater on. If you do have two switches, they both need to be on in order for the water heater to work. This is an and situation, not an or situation. So go hunt it down and turn it on. There's a chance that that'll solve your problem.